What is Java? Now, in the simplest words, we can say that Java is a programming language that we can use to communicate with the system. Now, what is a programming language? It is a way to communicate between a human and a machine. Which is very similar to how two humans can communicate. When humans communicate, they use a language. They use a similar language. That language can be Hindi, English, Marathi, French, whatever. Same way, when a human communicates with a machine, they need a same similar language. And that language can be Java, C, C++, Python. So these are the examples of programming language. So Java is one of the programming language that is used to communicate with the system.